at changing a drop link in the car, and it reaches from your anti-roll bar to your shock absorber suspension unit. This just takes a little bit of the sway out of the cars. Without this you wouldn't hang so well. So if you come around this side, you'll see that it's located here with two nuts, top and bottom. And what you'll need for this job is what you call a little Allen key. It'll be going in here to hold it, and this spanner will be going on there. So what we'll do now is we'll start to take it off. Now this will not be as easy in a car, because once it's inside the car it ain't as handy to get at. So but what we're going to do is just basically show you the principle of taking it off, and then you can figure the rest out. So that's your top one. Then we'll do the bottom one. Again, the same principle. Put this in, and as you'll see, I've loosened these earlier for time, because it can be a long drawn out affair this. It will not be as easy inside the car. And once we get this out, if we can get it out. Right. So that is your drop link. As you see, there's quite a bit of wear in them. That is not too bad, but the bottom one's shot. So basically when you get your new one, you just do the exact same thing. Pop it back into place, there and there. And then put your nuts back on and tighten up the firm, and if you do need to use a wee Allen key again in the centre to hold it while you're tightening it, do so. Okay folks?